Hello good people, welcome to our new video in this channel. Today in this video we are going to unbox new product which is from Xiaomi. It's as Redmi, Xiaomi, whatever you say or whatever you call. It's Redmi wireless neckband that has got inbuilt 5.0 Bluetooth. Let's see what we are getting inside this box. I hope you will all enjoy this video. If you want to know more about this product, please feel free to comment on the comment section below of this video. We'll love to enjoy your queries. And if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel, help us to grow, and like this video also. Thank you so much and enjoy this video.